How to download PowerPoint presentation or slides from Gamma app. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can download PowerPoint presentation. So make sure to watch this video till then. So first thing first, open your browser and search for gamma.app on the address bar and download the presentations onto your Gamma app. After that, in order to download this here, you need to go to the three dot and here just tap on export. After tapping on export, you will be seeing a bunch of options like export to PDF, export to PowerPoint, export as PNGs. So let's choose the very first option for a demonstration right now. I'm going to choose export to PowerPoint right now. Just tap on the download option and wait for it to be export. You can see it says exporting PPTX above. Just tap on it and wait for it to be exported. After that, you can see that it says your export is ready. So you may just use the exported PDF on your PowerPoint. Just open your PowerPoint and use the downloaded slides. In order to create your presentations in PowerPoint, just use the exported slides that you just downloaded from Gamma app. So another method is go to export.pdf. We have this option of export.pdf. Just tap on download again. After downloading it in PDF version, you may just use a PDF converter to PowerPoint. For that, you may just go to the plus icon and here search for PDF converter to PowerPoint. So search for that and tap on any of the converter. I'm going to use the very first option that is showing on my screen right now. Just tap on PDF to PowerPoint and wait for it to load. After loading, you can see so here you can see the option called select from device. Just put the file that you just downloaded from the Gamma app and convert it into a PowerPoint and use that in your presentations. So in that way you can download PowerPoint presentation or slides from Gamma app. So therefore I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.